Hello students, today we start the part 2 of linear inequation. In my part 1, I'll advise those of you who are watching this for the first time, after watching this or before watching this, you must see my part 1 where I have taught you how to plot the last part of this solve an equation. We have two questions, solve and plot. So we have to solve and plot. Okay, so plotting I have done separate video so that many children they had a problem. So please see one almost half an hour video on plotting, and today I am going to teach you the first part, solving. So this is what is my plan for today. This is part 2, linear inequation, and I think it is exercise 4 in ML Agrawal's book. Exercise 4 in ML Agrawal's book, and here I am going to solve after giving you concept 4 years ICSE question, very latest ICSE question, 2020, 2019, 2018 and 2017. So a brief introduction to the concept if you see. So first thing, if you see children, this third and fourth part, inequation means like this, something less than equal to, more than equal to, okay, more than, less than. So these are called inequation. They are very close to equation, but equation both sides are balanced. In equation one side is more than the other. And there are two very simple things which is common to both equation and inequation. They are transposing. When plus goes to that side, it becomes minus. When minus comes to this side, it becomes plus. So transposing is there. Then multiplying and dividing both the side with same positive number. So like we see in equation, you can multiply and divide same positive number. But this is the most important difference between equation and inequation. In inequation, if you divide or multiply by same negative number, I'll tell you, then the symbol of inequation is reversed. So I'll teach you with this method, and this to note 1 and 2 if I use, I'll show you, you don't need this. If you use 1 and 2, you don't need this, but this is very important. I'll show you by both. By reversing the symbol and how we can avoid reversing the symbol. So both I'll show you in at least 2 out of the 4 questions. So today's lecture, today's video children is very, very important. You may see, I don't say always it is very, very important, because here you will learn how to solve, and the previous one I taught you how to plot. So see and follow very carefully. So I start with first year 2020 question, very latest. So here what we do, we solve one part and this part. If we can solve full thing, but you will see later on, sometime it is better to do separately when plus or minus is here. When no plus or minus is here, I'll show you, we can do 3 part together. So first, what we do, we take 1, 2, once we will solve, and we will solve 2, 3 separately. Then final answer we will get. So see here, how we solve. 1, 2, see here. This first part, first I'll take 3x by 5 plus 2 is less than x plus 4. Imagine here as if it is equal to, just imagine. This implies, so what happens here if you see, first I'll take the LCM, 3x, 5 will be the LCM, 5 2s are 10, this is x plus 4. Okay, so next step is, what we do, to get rid of this 5, you can multiply both the side with same positive number. So I could have taken, it will be as if 5 goes up. But in an equation, we'll do it little like this. You multiply by 5, and here also you multiply by 5. So as if you will see, this will cancel. So ultimately, this as if it goes to division becomes multiplication this side. But this step is important. So finally what we have, 3x plus 10 is less than 5x plus 20. So open the bracket. Now you see here, from here there are two methods. One, generally what is done, and what I'll tell you when I use this. One is based on this. So see what happens. Here 3x, this comes here with minus sign. Plus 5x become minus 5x. This 10 goes there with minus sign. So we have finally minus 2x is less than equal to 10. Now this rule, when we divide, we have to divide here. I have to get rid. I want only x. Solving equation means getting x. Okay, and there are two words I tell you: replacement set and solution set, which I have taught in my previous video. This is the replacement set. So please see my part 1. Very, very important to understand this fully. So what we do, we divide by minus 2. As soon as we divide, children, as soon as we divide, the sign of inequation is reversed. This is less than, if you go from here, mouth closed. Less than becomes more than. This side, the mouth is open. So this is what happens. To get rid of minus 2x, I divide by minus 2 both sides. Sign is reversed. This does not happen in an equation. This is only true for an inequation. So I get x is greater than minus 5. So this, children, if you see, is my method 1. This is what generally everyone does. So I tell you over here how to avoid. Some of you, the sign changing is easy, for some of you it is difficult. So I will teach you here how to avoid that in a method. Not my method, generally many authors they use, and it is easier for many children. So from here, if you see, problem was 5 was bigger here, 3 was smaller, so you are bringing bigger towards smaller, so we get negative. Next one, what we do, see here, this rule. If A is less than B, then I can say B is greater than A. If this is less than this, just opposite you write. 5x plus 20 is greater than 3x plus 10. Now see what happens. Just bigger one, I have brought it to left side, and the left side I have made it to the right side, and sign I have reversed here. So this rule I apply. Rule 1. So if you don't apply 5, you have to apply rule 1. If you apply rule 1, you don't need 5. Because in rule 1, there won't be negative. See here next. 5x minus 3x is, this is transposed here. Only in multiplication, children, it becomes minus. When you transpose, nothing happens to inequality. Only in multiplication and division. So, here we have 2x is greater than minus 10. X is greater than minus 10 by 2. X is greater than minus 5. Same result we get. Here you see, in the beginning only I reverse the sign. X is positive. So, we can divide here both sides by 2. So if you see, both sides I divide by 2, but sign is not reversed because x is positive. So x is positive, I am not dividing. Here I am dividing by minus 2. Here I am dividing by 2. So if you like this method, there is no negative. And if you want to do like this, which most of the teacher you will see, they change the sign. So any way you can do it, from any student if you practice, I think this is easier than this. But this is more commonly used. We get minus, we reverse the sign because we are dividing by minus or multiplying by minus, then sign is reversed. So please pause the video and do. I am left with the second part. So please pause the video and copy, because this is a very important thing. Then I'll rub the right part. This part you copy first. This part you copy. Then I will go to the right side solving. So see here, I hope you have copied this part. So I showed you here this part. See, x plus 4 is less than equal to x by 2 plus 5. So first 2 I have solved. Now I am solving the second 2. This part I am solving. Sorry, this you don't put this part. This 2 I have solved. These two I am solving. So now, same way, you take LCM, 5 2s are 10. This 2, what you do to remove, you multiply by 2. As if it is coming up, same thing will happen, you will see. Okay, so this cancels here. This 2 as if it is coming this side. So what I get? 2x plus 8 is less than equal to x plus 10. 2x minus x, this is transposed. Minus becomes plus. 10 minus 8. X is less than equal to 2. Now we have got x is greater than. So when you write together, this can be written as x is greater than minus 5. Same thing, first rule, what I wrote. If x is greater than this minus 5, then minus 5 is less than this. So finally what we write? Very important for ICSE. So we will write solution set x such that x is greater than minus 5, less than equal to 2, and x belongs to real number. Very important. So this generally gives you, this 2 gives you 1 mark, you are awarded 1 mark. And writing this in this form, because real number, this gives you another mark. And since it is real number, you cannot write in tabular or roster form. Then how to plot, children? How we plot? See, take a number line, 1 extra both sides. So what is 1 extra? Minus 5. Here I'll take minus 6. Minus 5. Greater than means hollow circle. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 1, 2, 3. Less than equal to this will be dark circle. Because this is including, see my previous video part 1. And then you join it. Then you join it little up. And join it because there are infinite, this is real number. There are infinite number between this. So this will be hollow circle, this will be dark circle. Okay, so there are infinite number between these two. And when extra, you have to take both the sides. So this is my plotting of your inequation. Okay, so once more we solve both sides. We put it common, 1 mark for this. Generally, 1 mark for writing solution set and 1 mark for plotting. So greater than, only, no equal to, hollow circle, equal to dark circle, join them, and many teacher and all they do on the line, children. So for book it is okay, but when you do in copy or in answer script, this little up is better than doing there. So please pause the video and copy the full thing, then I'll go to the next one. Now I am starting with year 2019, and the best part of it, in year 2020, I think it was question 2A or 2B in 2020. But in 2019, this is the very first question in ICSE. Question 1A in last year's ICSE, you will see this question was given. And remember, this time I tell you, this is called the replacement set. All the values here I'll explain. So let's go. Like before, I divide it into 2 parts. Okay, then first part, this 2. 11x minus 4 is less than 15x plus 4. So first 2 I take, children, like before. So again there is same thing. 2 method I'll tell you. Method 1, traditionally used. You bring this to this side, bigger to smaller. So finally you get minus. So, and this 4 goes there. It becomes plus. See here now, this is 8. Here what we do, children, in traditional method we divide by minus 4. As soon as we divide minus 4, the sign is changed when you divide. This is difference between inequation and equation. So x is greater than minus 2. This is method 1. But what I advise is, from here you write opposite. 15x plus 4 is greater than 11x minus 4. As I told you, if a is less than b, then B is greater than A. My note 1, if this is less than this is more than this. Now see how easy it becomes. Bigger you bring the smaller. You bring the smaller, sign does not change. We are just transposing. Minus 4 minus 4. 4x is greater than minus 8. Dividing by 4. Here children, I am dividing by plus, so no sign change. There I divided by minus, therefore sign is reversed. Less than becomes greater than, it remains same. So 4 will cancel. X is greater than minus 2. Any one you like? You see this traditional it is done by most, but this is easier and better. Now next part, this side. So first side I have shown you two methods. Method 1, M1 and method 2. See here. 15x less than equal to plus 4. 13x plus 14. 15x plus 4. So what we get, 15x, see, smaller coming towards the bigger. So smaller coming towards the bigger, no problem. 14, then 4 goes there. So here I have 2x is less than equal to 10. Divide by 2. When you divide by positive, nothing happens. X is less than equal to 5. So finally what we get, children, solution set is x such that x is greater than, I can write this as x is greater than minus 2. Both have same meaning. X is greater than minus 2 and less than equal to 5, and x belongs to, this is very important, this will not give you mark, x belongs to whole number. So this gives you 1 mark in exam. This 2 only gives you, any one correct gives you 1 mark. This gives you another mark. If you don't write this, your replacement set, this 1 mark goes. Then last thing is plotting. Plotting, how you do, children? X minus 2, I said take one more, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now listen here, x greater than minus 2, but this is whole number. Whole number starts with 0. So you darken 0, little up it will be prominent. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, including 5, if you see. So x greater than minus 2, you cannot, this is not integer, next sum I will show you. Whole number starts with 0, so don't plot 1, if you plot 1. So another thing I wanted to tell you, this, since it is whole number, it can be written in tabular form. So this solution set will also do. This way also you can write, this is insert builder, rule method, this is tabular or roster form. 0, 1, 2, because this is whole number. Real number you cannot write in tabular form. Whole number, integer, natural number you can write. So since 5 is less than equal to 5, 5 is included. And why not minus 1? Because minus 1 is an integer but not a whole number. So see, this is how you have to plot. So kindly pause the video and you copy. So here we start today's question 3, which is actually ICSE 2018, and if you are following ML Agrawal's book, exercise 4, question 30 is 2018. Remember this replacement set where we will take the solution, SS solution set is from integer z or I. Okay, so left side as I told you we start. These two we take first, then these two we take. Okay, from here you take and here. So minus 2 plus 10x less than equal to 13x plus 10. So again children, there are two methods here, because when I bring larger to smaller, x will become negative. So method 1, what generally everyone does, what they do, 2 will go there. So 10x minus 13x is 2 goes there plus 10. This is minus 3x 12. Now when I want to remove minus 3, I will divide by minus 3. Sign will change here. Sign changes because I have divided by minus. When you divide or multiply by minus, sign changes. X is greater than equal to minus 4. Method 2, what I told you here, same thing you see. Minus 2 plus 10x is 13x plus 10. What I tell you, write this side. 13x plus 10. This side mouth is open, so less than becomes greater than. Minus 2 plus 10x. So here you see x is bigger. Bigger when you become smaller, bring. When you bring smaller, it will be positive. So what do you get? 3x. Here what happens? Minus 2 minus 10. Minus 12. So we divide by 3 children. We divide by 3 and sign does not change because this is positive. So this cancels, you get x is greater than equal to minus 4. So same thing we get. Please pause the video, copy both because this I am going to rub and show you the second solving. So please pause, copy, and we go to the next part of the sum. So I am going to rub this, my second method, and I will solve. I hope second method, if you practice, you will like it better than the first method. So this is second part. 13x plus 10 is less than 24 plus 10x. So children, here no problem. Smaller comes towards the bigger. So sign will remain same. I am not changing sign because this is coming here. I am not changing the full thing. So we have 3x is, so divide both the side by 3. So we get x. So it seems as if 3 has gone down. Ultimately same thing, but we divide because this is in equation. X is less than 4 2 by 3. 3 4s are 12 plus 2 14 by 2. So what is solution set? So see here x is, you can write greater than minus 4. This way it is important. So solution set is, this is solution set. So x such that, this two dots such that x is greater than minus 4 and greater than equal to minus 4 and less than 4 2 by 3 and x belongs to integer. So here you can write in this form also, minus 4 minus 3. Since this is integer, I will not add this because this is not a real number. Please see part 1 of my video. So when you plot children, see these are the very important thing. Both side arrow, one extra this side. So minus 4 is there, I have to include. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One extra both side, and then since it is integer, darken from minus 4 nicely to plus 4 because this is integer. Real number, you see I draw a continuous line, but here there is no continuous line because whole number, natural number and integer, this means belongs to. So this two will give you 1 mark. This is set builder, this is in roster because this is integer. You can write in roster form, as I told you. Real number you cannot write in roster form or tabular form. And this is how we plot. So pause your video and copy, then I move to the last question. So the last question for today is question 4, which is actually ML Agrawal's solved. I don't do solved, but you see the way I do and the way it is given in the book. Then you can understand one sum can be approached in different way. So the last sum is solved. Question 4 of ML Agrawal, ICSE 2017. I have already done 20, 19, 18, last sum. So once more, let us take this to, we start. So minus 8.5 less than minus half. So 4x becomes plus here when you transpose. 8.5 becomes plus minus half. So x is less than 8. 8.5 minus 8. So we divide by 4. So we get x is less than 2. X is less than 2. Okay, then right side we take minus half minus 4x, 7.5. What you do, same way children as I told you, there are two ways again. Minus 4x you take, if this goes that side it becomes plus. This is method 1. You can try this in my method 2 also, which I am not doing. So this remains here, this is transposed. You get minus 4x is less than 8. So to remove minus 4, I divide by minus 4. Now you see, as soon as you divide, this is in equation, not equation. Sign changes. So this will cancel. X is greater than equal to minus 2. This is what you get, and here you get x is greater than, x is you can write like this because we will put greater than equal to minus 2. Both are same. X is greater than minus 2, this way minus 2 is less than. So finally solution set. X says that x is greater than equal to minus 2 and less than 2, and x belongs to integer or z you call. This children, since it is integer, whole number, natural number, you can write in tabular form. So integer greater than equal to minus 2, minus 2 minus 1 0, less than 2 is 1. So finally how we plot? Plotting here you see 1 extra, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 you can do, and it goes to, these arrows are important, 1 extra. So minus 2, this is integer, so darken it. Minus 1, 0, 1. You cannot take 2 children. You cannot take, because this is less than 2. Less than 2 is 1. So I have done first question, real number, integer, whole number. But most of the question children comes from real number. Okay, so in my next part 3 maybe, I will solve 3-4 ICSE question where I will show you, because majority of the question, so this is called replacement set. So I have done many replacement set, integer, natural number, whole number, real number. Most of the replacement set are from your real numbers, and this is solution set is a subset of this. Integers we have many things, but this will satisfy my equation. So you can put down the value, and very interesting thing you will see how this is 4 values satisfies this. One is here, okay, otherwise it is not satisfied by any other integers. So please pause the video, practice, do all ICSE question, do all solved and then do unsolved, and maybe in my next video I will try to do a few more questions, but this was the main. And please see my part 1 where I have told you one full video on plotting. So please pause and write. Thank you boys.